And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is a very exciting day because a very special car is en route from the beautiful state of Florida back here to Utah. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The wide-body Aventador Roadster is going to be here in 3 hours. Now, we have one big issue. The Aventador Roadster is going to be here and we have nowhere to put it because the garage is completely full. The poor Urus is parked outside. The warehouse is full. The house is going to be done for 6 months. I don't know where we're going to put the car. I cannot wait to see it, but I don't know where we're going to put it. Speaking of the Urus, speaking of this beautiful Urus, we got that kit from Vorsteiner, and we're unboxing it right now. Well, we tried to go through the garage and it didn't fit, so now it's over the bay run of the Aventador. Don't drop it, Luke. I think this guy Luke's been working out. This is no big deal.
Bro, this was never in the job description.
This is all carbon fiber. It's all carbon fiber. This thing doesn't even weigh anything, and he's complaining. This guy Luke is judging me so hard because my living room has car parts everywhere.
This is why you're single.
Okay, you're just jealous because you can't do this because you got a wife. Katie, we love you and we support you. Well, Luke loves you and supports you. Anyways, you can't do this, but your boy's single and ready to mingle. True. Yes, we have a wide body kit strewn across the living room. We have but on the bombshell, we're gonna open the kit. I am just so excited to finally open up this kit. It is gonna completely transform the Urus. We've been waiting for this for quite a while. This is one big old box. Now, I know you've had a lot of aggression built up lately, Luke. Don't take it out on your boss, take it out on the box. One small rip for mankind, one giant rip for Strad. Anyway, so we realized the kit was gonna get damaged, so we moved it all outside. So now we're gonna put this kit in the living room. I know, one problem to another problem. But Luke, oh jeez. You got this?
You're not gonna throw that.
There you are. Oh, okay. Oh, she's like, I don't know. This guy Luke thought he was going to be driving Lamborghinis in Hawaii, but instead he just moves wide body kits around my living room. But we're going to make this very easy on everybody. We're going to make this seamless and simple. Luke wants to do the whoop transition. I want to do the snap transition, but I'm a very compromising boss. So we're not going to do the snap. We're going to do the whoosh. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, from Vorsteiner, we have their carbon fiber aero kit. The carbon fiber work on this is absolutely incredible. Like this little side skirt canard right here. Look at the matte carbon fiber on the back end of that. We also have the full carbon fiber diffuser. Like the entire piece is finished in gloss carbon fiber. We have this piece that goes over the rear hatch, and of course we have the front splitter as well. This is absolutely beautiful. Like just look at this carbon fiber just glistening. I'm so excited to get this kit installed on the Urus. Now, unfortunately, we don't have time today. The Aventador Roadster is going to be here in a matter of about 45 minutes. So this is the narrow body kit from Vorsteiner. Now, narrow body would imply that, yes, ladies and gentlemen, there is a wide body kit from Vorsteiner. We do wide body the world. I'm not implying that that's on order, but it might be here sooner than you think. And on that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by Extra. This right here, guys, is the Extra debit card. This is the world's first debit card that actually helps you build credit. Now, credit is kind of sort of boring, kind of sort of intimidating, but it's also really important. It's a new year, 2022, you have New Year's resolutions. There's no better time to start building your credit. When I first started my YouTube channel, I wanted to buy my dream Lamborghini Gallardo. Now, I didn't have a lot of cash and I had to finance the car through the roof, but luckily I had a great credit score and that's why the bank approved my loan. In 2022, maybe you want to buy your first house or buy your first car or even rent an apartment. You're gonna need a great credit score. Well, Extra is here to help. So here's how Extra works. It's super simple. When you sign up for Extra, you actually connect the Extra card to your bank account and you're given a spending limit based off your bank account balance with no credit check required. Then let's say you go to McDonald's, you go off to the movies, you swipe the Extra debit card, Extra actually spots you for that purchase, then pays themselves back the next business day. At the end of the month, Extra tallies up all your transactions and actually reports them as credit-worthy payments. And it's really just that easy. Guys, check out the link below to join Extra today and start building your credit with a debit card. That's right, the world's first debit card that helps you build credit, the Extra debit card. Check out that link below. There's just truly no day quite like delivery day. I have missed your smiling face, bro. How does it look?
Good.
Does it?
It sounds even better.
That's what I like to hear. That is one long trailer right there. It has been a long time. John picked up the Aventador Roadster back in November. It's now almost the end of January. I just realized, Luke, I got a little bit lazy right there. I actually filmed my street sign because you was just a quick blur.
That's a nice hour of work.
No, whatever. You're a professional. You can do that in like 5 seconds. Oh, baby. Oh, come to Papa. It has been so long. We've not seen this car in forever. You're wearing black jeans. I specifically told you, white sweats.
The painter suit's in the trunk, bro.
Oh, that's
We're
right,
good to
that's
go.
right. So off camera, this guy, Luke Terry, has the audacity, the absolute audacity to point out that my registration is expired. I know. And the Supra's expired as well.
Yeah.
And the GTR won't pass emissions. And the Guard hasn't been registered for 2 years. I'm aware. I get it.
Get your life together.
All right. Oh, give me a break. No. He's like a grandma. You're fine. Oh, goodness. Breathe it in. Okay, that's a little too much. That's a lot of carbon monoxide. Woo, she's loud. I forgot how great the pink calipers look too. Obviously, we got the cut fenders. We're going to be reinstalling the wide body kit and the white Boston wheels today. Wow, that color is so much better than I remembered. Obviously, we saw it in Florida, but wow, that white interior, that is so sick. You look good with a pink seatbelt. It accentuates. Look at that style. Dude, the white interior, what do you think of it?
I think it's bad, dude.
You've seen this car through every single iteration.
It's super clean.
It looks so sick. It looks better in Utah. I still can't get over how crazy this interior is. It is just so money. We also have this dash cover right here to reduce the reflections. That should help out a lot. I'm not sure it'll be necessary. I think we'll be okay, but it's nice to have in those moments. All right, so wide body kit, Boston wheels, and then it looks like we need gas. I can't get over how amazing this interior looks. I probably shouldn't do this, but we just got to show off this white. So, got all this green tape, and look at this guy, Luke Terry, already straight to work. Oh, bro. Those are gonna look so sick. So we gotta install the wide body kit and of course get these white Vossens. That gives you the look that's gonna look crazy. That's gonna look so good. So 5 minutes ago, Stefan texted me and he's like, do you know where my small jack is? Your jack's right here. Thanks, Stefan, we love you, we support you. Also, Luke Terry, he's the cameraman. He doubles as my mechanic. I'm just gonna stand here and I'm just kidding. Did you see the look on your face?
Well, bro.
Oh, wait. Is that a shot of my ability?
Kind of. Yeah, I'm sorry.
I mean, he's not wrong. That's right. You said I'm not a mechanic. Well, it's been about 15 minutes and things have gotten slightly chaotic. I just saw snow falling right now. We took the roof off the Aventador. We have the wide body kit just everywhere. We have Luke doing the proper technique. It's like an anti-pizza. Look at this.
Anti-pizza? What's that?
Oh, you know like when you're skiing and you do the pizza to stop? This is the anti-pizza.
Yeah.
Whatever, it looks amazing. Keep up the great work. The white interior, I'm telling you what, with the top off, looks so crazy. Also, yes, that is snow falling into the white interior. Probably should put the roof on. I cannot believe my eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, look at him. Are you kidding me?
What's he holding?
He looks like the Pink Panther of thunder and glory. Wow, look at this guy.
It's a big day.
Oh my goodness, you got the pink donuts, the pink shoelaces, and the pink Strat hoodie. What's inside? What's inside?
For you.
Oh, is it? Oh, it's for Luke.
For me.
What did you get?
What is it? The donut. There's nothing in it. Oh, I ate them.
Oh, no. What? How did you do that to my camera guy?
They were good.
Did you get anything? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, very good. It's so crazy how you go through so many different stages of life. Think about this. April 1st, 2015, I'm working for this guy. He walks in my office, he fires me. Fast forward to today, January 21st, and oh, how the turntables have turned.
The what?
The turntables have turned. What? What do you mean, what?
All I know is that's why I'm an accountant, because it's warm inside the office.
You're a corporate director. Don't sell yourself short. He's not an accountant. He directs accountants. Well, the car is done. I don't even want to admit to you guys how long that just took. If the diffuser falls off, it was this guy.
Oh, come on, bro.
Okay, if the driver's side diffuser falls off, it's this guy. Yeah. If the passenger diffuser falls off, it's me. Most likely the entire thing's gonna fall off. I also hear the music starting to play. This is gonna be the best B-roll this man has ever filmed. Pressure! All right, in 3, 2, 1. Oh She's done, boys. She is actually officially done. The white on white with the pink. The car looks so incredible. This entire time Luke was filming that incredible B-roll.
Wasn't that good?
I was... Oh.
I don't think it was that good.
Luke, could you please insert sad music? Because your B-roll wasn't that good. What are you talking about? This guy, he's talented and he's humble. But my, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. This is by far and away my favorite car. Looks absolutely amazing. Completed here with the wide body kit. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Just look at her. Now the problem is we don't have a place to park her. I can only imagine my neighbors right now. They must be looking through the window, seeing like, wow, he's officially lost his mind. That being said, I think I actually look good in it. I look like an astronaut. Okay, I look ridiculous. Okay, whatever. Luke's making, I can see Luke. On the other side of the camera, I can see you. Whatever, I like it. This interior on camera is just absolutely mesmerizing. It is just glowing right now. I look like an angel right now. Oh, I love it. It turned out so good. I gotta give another massive shout out to E3 Customs. Every single detail is incredible. We have an absolutely massive parking problem right now. We don't have anywhere to put any cars. So we're pulling the Veyron in. Obviously the Aventador Roadster is gonna stay here at the house. The Veyron's gonna stay. The Murcielago is gonna stay. Unfortunately, yes, the Safari's gotta go. That Veyron looks so sick as well. Honestly, like doing the interior on this car makes me wanna do an interior on that car. Wow. Off camera, I was just like, hey Luke, come here, like the most casual
I might have something nice.
This F1 exhaust sounds so good. Okay, before we get in trouble, shut her down. I tell you, I spend more time moving cars around than anything else. I know that sounds like the world's worst complaint, but Veyron, Murcielago, both Aventadors are in the garage. The Safari's head off to the warehouse. The Urus head off to the warehouse. The problem is when we get to the warehouse, we don't actually have anywhere to put, well, I don't know. I forgot how sick this Safari is. It is so much fun. We want to take it down the sand dunes soon, take it out in a snowstorm. The problem is it's so nice, you want to abuse it because that's what it was built to do, but at the same time, it's worth a lot of money. You don't want to abuse it, but that's what it was built to do. I said that twice, but you know what I mean. Now, sometimes I forget what a tank that Gladiator is. Also, you can't do this in the Lambo, but you can in the Safari. This thing is so sick. If today's video gets 150,000 likes, we'll take this dune bashing. That's right, we'll take a Porsche 964 from 1991 dune bashing. Smash that like button. Well, we kind of sort of caught a break. Stefan ended up moving out his Raptor because he found a spot to park his GTR at his house because he had a bunch of trash in his garage that he finally cleaned out. So Stefan, if you're watching today's video, we love you, we support you. That Peloton. Anyways, yeah, so we got plenty of space. The problem is the Nissan GTR is gonna be back next week, the Gallardo is gonna be back shortly thereafter, and the Countach is headed home, so we need to put 3 cars right here. So on that bombshell, today's video is over. And yes, of course, last, but certainly not. Are you kidding? I wasn't gonna, he knew, he knows all my tricks now. I'm still gonna do it. It's not as fun anymore.